Provent is a relatively new treatment option for the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea syndrome. This is an example of Provent. Provent consists of two valves that are inserted into the nostrils and held in place by a non-allergic adhesive bandage. If one looks closely, you can see a mesh-like valve with a little hole in each side. Provent works by being open during inhalation through the nose, so there is no resistance to airflow. When one exhales through the nose, the valves close and you're exhaling through those tiny holes. This creates resistance to airflow. This then causes pressure to back up into the upper airway, much in the same way as positive airway pressure is delivered through the use of nasal CPAP. This pressure splints the airway open. There are several other proposed mechanisms of action for Provent as well. Provent, in my personal experience, has been effective in approximately 60 to 70% of my patients who show a reduction in their obstructive sleep apnea syndrome by about 50 to 90%. I'm Dr. Ronald Popper, Medical Director of the Southern California Pulmonary and Sleep Disorders Medical Center in Thousand Oaks, California. To view more videos to help address all of your questions about sleep apnea and other sleep disorders, please view our website at sleepmd4u.com. Thank you for watching, and always remember, sleep well tonight for a better day tomorrow.